Hello everyone, Carman back with another video, and today I'm going to be sharing with you guys my Range Rover Sport and how to turn off the interior lights. So when I open the door, the interior lights turn on, the dome light, the foot light, the door lights, everything turns on. So I'm going to be sharing with you guys on how to easily turn this off. So you want to get your key and put it into the ignition into number 2. And then we are going to press and hold this middle button on the dome light. After about a few seconds, the light should flicker back and forth. And right when that happens, on the dash, you're going to get interior lighting off. And now the automatic lighting is completely off. If I open the door, none of the lights are going to turn on, regardless of what doors I open. And now if I want to turn the interior lights back on to auto, all you have to do again is just hold that button for a few seconds. It's going to flicker, and on the dash this time it's going to say automatic mode. And now if you open the door, it's back to normal. The lights are going to turn on when it's starting to get dark. And there you have it. That's how you can disable or enable the automatic lighting on your Range Rover. This video applies to all the Range Rover models, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a like and share. And if you have any questions or comments, please leave them down below, and I'll see you guys soon with another video. Thank you.